Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we are doing Give My Love. It is a 4-wall dance and it's 4 counts of 8. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to turn my back to make it easier to follow. All right, this is my right, this is my left. Our first count of 8 are 4 skate steps up and salsa steps. All right, so it starts like this. Right, left together, left, right together, right, left together, left, right together. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, from here, we're going to salsa up with the right, step 1 and 2. Right, right together, left, right, left together. And I'll do this to the side so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, right, left, left, right, left. Okay, that's the salsa move. Ready? So let's put that 8 count together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up and back. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and salsa up and salsa back. Okay, that's the first count of 8. Second count of 8, we're doing quarter pivot turns and hip rolls. All right, so you're going to step with the right, step, turn over the left shoulder, right? Half turn, so you're facing the back now. And do it again. Step forward and then turn. Okay? So let's try that. So we just went up and back. Now step right, turn left, step right, turn left. Okay? From here, to finish out that second count of 8, you're going to give me 2 hip rolls. Hip roll to the right and hip roll to the left. Okay, so let's put that second 8 count together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right, turn left, step right, turn left. Now roll to the right, hip roll to the left, right? So let's do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 step, 2, 3 step, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, halfway. So let's put those first 2 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and salsa up and salsa back. Second count of 8. Step and turn and hip roll and hip roll. We got it? All right. Good. Third count of 8. It's called the Lindy step, which is really a cha-cha and a rock step combined. Okay? So we're going to step to the right, cha-cha step, and then rock back and forward, okay? And when we do that rock back and forward, we're actually making a quarter turn. We're facing the side when we do that, all right? So it's cha-cha and rock, and then go the other way, cha-cha and rock, and turn your body to the side, okay, on that rock step, all right? So shuffle, right? That's a cha-cha, shuffle, it's a triple step. It's 3 steps in 2 counts of music. 1 and 2, rock, 3, turn to the side when you do it. That's 4. 5 and 6, rock back, turn to the side, and 4. All right? So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, rock 3, 4, 5 and 6, rock 7, 8. So let's put 3 counts of 8 together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Skate 1, 2, 3, 4, and salsa up and salsa back. Now turn and step and turn. Now hip roll and hip roll. Now cha-cha and rock and cha-cha and rock. Okay? From here, we're facing the side, but from here we're going to do scissor steps and some footwork, all right? So we're going to step right, left, and cross. Okay, that's the scissor. All right? So we're just here. We finished rocking. We're going to step out to the right, step left, shift your weight, and cross. And then you do the same thing on the left. Shift your weight, left, right, and cross. Okay? All right, let's try that. So we're here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? That scissor step is a triple step, which means 3 steps in 2 counts of music. Okay? So right, left, cross, left, right, left, cross. Okay? From here, you're going to do step 2 counts on the right foot and 5, 6, 7, 8. And as you turn, as you make those last three counts, last 3 steps, you're making a quarter turn to your right. So we just went in 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's try it again. We're here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. That and 5 is quick. Okay. So as soon as you come out the scissor, be ready to stomp, 2 stomps, and then pivot on your left 3 steps to make the quarter turn. And now you're at your new wall and you start the dance over with the skate. 2, 3, 4. All right. Let's start from the beginning. Put all 4 counts together. We go real slow. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Skate 1, 2, 3, 4, and salsa up and salsa back. Second count of 8. Ready? Step 1, turn 2. Step 3, turn 4. Now hip, roll, and hip, roll. Third count of 8. Cha-cha to the right and rock and turn. Cha-cha to the left and rock, quarter turn. Fourth count of 8. 1 and 2, out, 3 and 4, stomp, stomp, turn, turn, turn. And that is your line dance, all right? So let's do it again. We'll pick up the pace a little bit. We'll do 2 rotations of it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now salsa right and salsa left. Step and turn, step and turn. Now roll it and roll it. Now cha-cha, rock to the side, cha-cha, rock to the side. Now 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Turn, turn, turn. Now start over, 3, 4, and right and left. Now step, turn, now hip, roll, and 1 and 2, turn, and 5 and 6, turn. Now out, out, cross, turn, turn, turn. All right. All right, let's put it to some music, all right? Let's
go. You are my baby. Now that's your favorite line. Now come take me to the mountain top, through the great divide. Like a soldier, you ain't gotta know where the enemy's been. I can tell you the kingdom of love never ends. I wanna give my love to you. When the world around is on fire, I wanna give my love to you. Where the Spirit's taking us higher.
That's it, guys. That's Give My Love. Hopefully it was helpful to you. All right. If it is, let me know. Send me a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Let's grow together. All right. I'll be back with more videos. In the meantime, y'all be easy. Get on that dance floor. Love you. Mwah.